Good afternoon. My name is Tywattia Edwards, and my research and study was done on Mars, ice and water on Mars. Scientists have found a huge amount of water ice on Mars, which is pretty amazing. The amount is comparable to Lake Superior, which is around 12,000 cubic kilometers of ice, if you can only imagine that. It isn't just cool because it's a lot of water, but really is super important for the future of the space travel and maybe even the living on Mars. It means astronauts could potentially use the ice for drinking water, splitting into oxygens, breathing hydrogen for fuel. It's a game changer, really, it is. The way we found it was just as interesting. Um, it's really thanks to a bunch of different rovers, satellites we've sent to Mars over the years. Now with all this data, we're actually seeing Mars isn't really just dry, barren landscape. It has resources that could really support human expeditions, and maybe even Permanent bases. One of the coolest gadgets we've got up there now is a thing called the Moxie, which is like a Mars test kitchen for producing oxygen. It's already made a little oxygen for the carbon dioxide for the Martian atmosphere. So let's fast forward a little bit. So what all that really means is that we can produce oxygen on Mars. We've got water there too. So it's like we're putting the pieces together for a Mars survival kit. This makes the whole idea of staying on Mars for longer periods of time not really just science fiction, but something we can actually pull out, for people to live there for a lifetime. Um, Really, when you look at it, but beyond the practical stuff, it's also kind of a shift how we see ourselves in the universe right now. Each discovery, like finding water, gets us asking big questions about life out there and what it really means to humans as this massive cosmic playground. Um, and it's not just really about the Mars. This exploration mindset opens a new way of solving problems here on Earth too. The technology designed for these missions can often be adapted to help with the challenges we face at home. So we're not just really scratching the surface, we're really digging in, learning, evolving techs, inching closer to perhaps one day being, for Mars actually being a place that we can live or survive on. So, yeah, I found out a whole lot with doing research on it and really got me thinking, what can I really do to help out with it? So, but this is really my research. I hope you guys like it and good luck, okay? Thanks. Bye bye.